Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to check the important topic that long-term investors should follow the Mesch type of market profile. So why they have to follow the Mesch type of market profile? Mesch method, they will work in the macro picture profiles. For example, they will work like yearly chart or 5 years chart or 10 years chart. So macro pictures, they will give the perfect structure, same like the standard deviation. So like this method, long term investors can predict the market future, maybe it will test this zone. So this zone they can be easily identified by using the Mesch type of market profile. So if they are long term investors like the big money people, they have to wait in that zone, they will invest that proper investment. So how they can find that? So Mesch type of market profile, they work in the macro picture profiles. If you have the data for 6 years or 1 years, you can work that this type of method. How this method also same like our method. The specialty in this method, the long term profile will give the structures. For example, this is the 1 year data, the bell curve to be developed in this zone, the clock will not be developed. For long term players, the clock will not be developed and the bell curve shape will not be developed. So 1 year they can predict that market in this zone only, like 54,000 and 42,000. So in this zone only the bank nifty will travel. So like this method they can predict the long term. If it is tested in this zone, they can force buy and they make their bigger investment. Exactly the market will test in this mode. Mesch method mainly they follow in the mode and shape of the bell curve. So mode exactly they tested and reverse back. They support the same like standard deviation for the long term profiles. So this type of method they will analyze, it will help to find that in the future the market will test in this zone. They will decide that when they will take the entry. Mostly the spread strategy they will follow that using the Mesch type of market profile. The link in the description, I will give the Mesch type of market profile, so everyone can watch this and they will know that how they can how the institutions they can invest in their bigger money. Same like Nifty, if you check the short term players and they make the like investment like Mesch method, they have to follow the entire profiles. Like they will merge the profile like 5 months or 6 months. They can predict that market, is it possible to test this zone or not. So exactly they test the mode. So Mesch method they will follow the mode like same like internal time clock. The market exactly tested in the standard deviation level, exactly tested in the mode, and it will oppositely it will react. So here also it will standard deviation will work, but it is work in macro profiles. So long term investors should find out, they will not agree to invest in this zone. They will wait for this bottom of the bell curve. So Mesch method, the shape should be like bell curve. If the bell curve is formed like macro pictures, the move it will happen is the real move, whether it is going the new trend or downside. So if you have the data, if you have the chance for the data for a long term like 6 years, 10 years, you can predict that market in future where it will come. So you can sit in this zone and keep your money for long investment and you can double your money. So like that institutions they are playing. So Mesch method market profile, long term investors they can use, same like they have to follow the bell curve and their work full of macro picture profiles. So same like internal time clock mode. So this type of method also Same like our method, we are following the medium term like 1 year data we are following. If you have the long term data like 6 years or 10 years or 5 years data, you can also predict that market exactly where it will come. Feature its chances to test this zone. So you have to wait for this zone, and your entry should be on standard deviation. In long term profiles, it will give the perfect picture. So you cannot lose in market. So if you have bigger money people, they exactly follow the Mesch type of method, and they will invest the huge money whenever the market tested like this zone. So everyone should back test. So market exactly tests the center point mode, then it reverse back to the standard deviation. So this is type of method. If you work in macro picture profiles, it will perfectly work. So do back test and check your profiles how the Mesch type of method it will work for every index stocks. Then you can come to know. So only back test only that market profile, it will give the clear picture. So thank you all. Thank you for supporting my channel.